introduce myself. My name is Alpha, and you can call me Alpha. I'm here to tell you a story. The title is The Birds and the Whale. Once there was a bird who fell in love with a whale, and a whale who fell in love with a bird. The bird loved the whale's beautiful smell. He loved the way she swam across the water so gracefully. And the whale loved the bird handsome white feathers. She loved to watch him so from the sky. And the whale loved to eat lots of tiny fish. All summer, the bird and the whale meet in the bay. They talk and talk. They talk about the moon and the tides and the ships in the ocean. The bird got jokes and made the whale laugh. The whale sang beautiful songs that made the bird play. One day, you could meet my family on the ocean, said the whale. You could meet my friends on the land, said the bird. Everything was perfect. But the world does not stop turning because the bird and the whale fall in love. The summer turned into autumn, and autumn turned into winter. The water turned cold, and all the others well lived for the warmer water. Come with me to warmer water, said the whale. It's a wonderful place. It's always warm, and there are so many fish to eat. I love to eat fish, said the bird, and I love you. I will follow you anywhere. But first, teach me to be a whale. Like this, said the whale. Follow me, and she dived deep in the water. Okay, said the bird, and he also dived deep in the water. Deeper and deeper he went. I'm swimming, ha ha ha, he laughed. I'm a whale. But soon, he called him Fred. He returned to the surface, gasping. He tried and tried and tried again, but he ran red every time. I don't think a bird can become well, said the bird. Come with me instead. I live on the cliffs. It's a wonderful place. It's warm and cozy, and every morning you can watch the sunrise. I love to watch sunrise, said the whale, and I love you. I will follow you anywhere. But first, teach me to be well. Teach me to be bird. Teach me to be bird. Okay, like this, said the bird. Follow me. And she flapped his wings. And he flapped his wings. And soared in the sky. Okay, said the whale. She squeezed your hands. And flapped her wings. Just like the bird. She flapped and flapped, up and down. But she flapped and flapped, up and down. The water splashed everywhere. I'm flying, she laughed. I'm a bird. But when she opened her eyes, she wasn't soaring the sky. She was still in water. I don't think a whale can become a bird. I don't think a whale can become a bird. But if you cannot fly and I cannot swim, where can we live together? Said the bird. We will stay here in the west, said the whale. But the bird shook his head slowly. You love to swim deep in the water. That is your favorite thing to do. You would never be happy here, said the bird. The whale sighed, and you love to play and soar in the sky. That is your favorite thing to do. You will never be happy here, said the whale. And so, because the bird and the whale loved each other so much, they said goodbye. But they never forgot each other. Maybe that's a story I can't read. Thank you to everyone who listened, and sorry if there are any warm words. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.